Imagine you're the founder of a thriving startup. You've got big dreams, innovative ideas, and the drive to make it all happen. But as your business starts to grow, you're faced with a common challenge: space. That's where self-storage comes in. Today, we'll show you how self-storage can be a game changer for startups looking to expand their horizons. First up, let's talk about flexible inventory management. Startups often struggle with managing their inventory efficiently. Overstocking or understocking can be a real headache. But with self-storage, you have the freedom to store excess inventory securely without crowding your workspace. Now, let's talk about the cost-effective space solution self-storage provides. Renting office space in prime locations can be a significant drain on your resources. But what if you could allocate those funds more strategically? Self-storage offers you the opportunity to free up valuable office space by moving non-essential items to a secure storage unit. This means more budget for innovation and growth without compromising on the quality of your workspace. Lastly, let's discuss how self-storage helps streamline your operations. Chaos can disrupt the flow of your business. Stacks of documents, equipment, and supplies all over the place can slow you down. With self-storage, everything has its place. Your equipment, documents, and supplies are neatly organized and easily accessible when you need them. This efficiency keeps your startup agile and ready to tackle any challenge. So if you're a startup founder ready to take your business to the next level, visit Arcos Self-Storage at www.arcostorage.com. We offer clean, safe, and secure storage options that can help you achieve your business goals.